Hello. Today we celebrate the memorial of Mary, Mother of the Church. As we all know, Mary is a very important person in the history of the Catholic Church and in our faith. But what I want to focus on today for just a minute is her faithfulness. This is one of the reasons why I think we can consider Mary to be the mother of the Church. Because no matter what happened, she always remained faithful to God and faithful to her Son. So in the stories of Jesus' birth, there are shepherds who come to pay homage to her child. The Magi come bearing gifts. In one of the other Gospels, she and Joseph are asked to take their son far away to Egypt. At the time of his presentation, the prophet and prophetess Simeon and Anna make predictions about Mary's son, and the author of the Gospel of Luke tells us that she treasured all these things in her heart, not knowing what they meant. When Jesus went with his parents to the temple at the age of 12, Mary and Joseph discovered that he was lost, and they went back to the temple, and there he was with the teachers of the temple. And the author of Luke says that Mary did not understand what was taking place, and Jesus even speaks the harsh sounding words, "Did you not know that I had to be about my Father's business?" There's the story of the wedding feast of Cana, where Jesus addresses his mother as woman, when she reminds him that they are out of wine, that they've run out of wine. In another time, Jesus is asked about his mother and his brothers, and he says cryptically, "Who are my mother and my brothers?" And then Mary had to experience the suffering and death of her own son, her only son. And what's remarkable about all of this, and why Mary is such a great example to us as we remember her today, is that through it all, she remained a woman of faith. It's easy to think that Mary knew what was coming, that there was some master plan that she was somehow in on. That was not the case. Mary, just as each one of us, had to live her life in faith, believing in the midst of the unknown. And that's why it's so important to celebrate her today as the mother of the Church. Thank you so much for watching and listening today.